Hi, it's me again, Tim. And guess what? I went on a date, a real one, with Anna, the blue jacket girl, the one who laughed at me in the cafe. Remember when she said, "Let's play mini golf"? Yeah, that happened. It was a disaster. But also, kinda perfect. Let me tell you, Saturday afternoon, 3 p.m. I arrive early, of course. Too early, like 45 minutes early. Why? Because I'm nervous and I don't want to be late, ever. I wait. I check my hair and my phone camera. It's okay, a little confused. I wait more. Then, boom, there she is, smiling, holding a coffee.
Hey, Tim, who wants love and golf?
Hey, Anna, who burns pasta and smiles a lot. We're off to a good start. We go to the mini golf counter. The guy gives us 2 small golf clubs. Mine is pink, hers is green.
Pink suits you.
Thank you. I am very fashionable. Okay, hole number 1. Easy, a straight line. Anna hits the ball. It goes in.
Hole in one. Boom.
My turn. I hit the ball. It goes into the water.
Oh no, you lost on hole 1.
It's strategy. I want to look bad now and surprise you later.
Sure, Tim. Very smart.
We keep playing. I hit too hard, then too soft. Then I hit a tree. Then the ball goes backwards. How? Meanwhile, Anna is amazing. She even does a little dance when she wins. After 10 holes, I'm losing by a lot. I'm starting to think this isn't my game.
Don't worry. You're still winning in the joke department.
Yes, that was my plan. Be funny, not good. Then we get to hole number 12. There's a little windmill.
This one's tricky. Be careful.
I take a deep breath. I swing. The ball goes straight through the windmill and hits Anna's shoe.
Ah!
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Just a golf attack. I'm fine.
Should I call someone?
Yes, call the fashion police. This pink club is a crime.
We both laugh, loudly. A family nearby looks at us like we're crazy. Maybe we are, in a good way. We finish the game. I lose, big time.
Final score, me 40, you 96.
Yay! I made a new record for most terrible player.
Don't worry, I'll still eat ice cream with you.
Wait, there's ice cream? She points to a little ice cream cart near the exit. We go. She gets chocolate. I get vanilla. Classic. We sit on a bench. It's quiet, but not awkward. Just nice. She looks at me.
I had fun today.
Really?
Yeah, I laughed a lot. That's important, right?
I think so. Then I say something brave, something real. I was nervous today. I wanted everything to be perfect. She smiles.
It was perfect, Tim, because it was real.
Wow. Then she pokes my arm with her spoon.
Next time, though, maybe no golf.
Deal. Maybe a movie?
Or a picnic with no flying golf balls.
Perfect. No sports, just snacks. She laughs again. And that was our first date. Messy, silly, sweet. The best kind.